Hi guys, Mori here. Today's video is going to be a short one. It's going to be kind of like a part 2 of my video from last week, which was the Sezane spring collection unboxing and try on. I'm literally showing you only one piece today, and that's the Annette cardigan, because last week the cardigan was pre-order, so I wasn't able to get it in time for my video, but it arrived in the mail. I tried it and it's so cute. I think it's my favorite piece from Sezane for this season. So I wanted to show it to you because it's still in stock in all 3 colors: blue, yellow, and white. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and without any further ado, let me show you the cardigan. Alright, here is the Beauty Annette cardigan. Let me show you the tag. It's my usual size, extra small. The color is light blue. If you're not a fan of a light blue, it also comes in yellow and white. As you can see, the design is boxy. The detailing, it's like a crochet detailing. I think it's just the perfect piece to wear all spring long. But what I wanted to really draw your attention to is the fact that you can actually wear it both ways. You can wear the V-neck at the front, or you can wear the scoop neck at the front. And that's something I didn't realize when I was getting it. It wasn't really shown on the website, but it's actually a great selling point and made me so excited when I realized that I can go either way. So let me show you how that looks on, right? Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was the Annette sweater. It's a super cute, versatile piece for spring and summer, and it's still in stock in all 3 colors: blue, white, and yellow. So if you are considering it, hurry up, because I do think these cardigans will sell out. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to see you again, and bye. Have a good week.